Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video and another retro video. On these video series I talk about building a retro recording studio. For those of you who want to build an old school jungle style studio from back in the day and you want to know what gear does what and what gear is what this gear is all about, and today we're going to talk about monitors and studio monitoring. So when it comes to monitors, I think back in the day, the most common set of monitors that we used to use was the, believe it or not, was the Yamaha NS10s. Now the original NS10s, I think they go for quite a bit of money. Look, the woofer alone is £225. These are the classic. This is a match pair. Look at these. I had a pair of these back in the day. I think they were about 250 quid. Now they're 395. These monitors are the cream of the crop. Now, the sound of them, you can see that one's got a stain on it. And look, someone's been playing around with, probably someone's kid's been poking it or something. I don't know. The cone's been dented on this one. And he's got it up. Starting bid at 395 quid. That I wouldn't pay personally. I wouldn't pay 395 pound for that. That looks overpriced, to be honest. The tweeters used to go on these if you push it too much. This always also used to come with a little Yamaha amplifier. Yamaha. It was like a Yamaha something 100. Yamaha amplifier 100. NS10. There you go. Look at that. A100. Yamaha A100. And this is a better illustration. I had one of these as well. This one here is the amplifier that I was recommended that works with the NS10s. Now the thing is about going back about the NS10s. I think they're only about 100 watt. But the thing is about these, every single studio used to have one of these, and there was a reason for it, because these were kind of excuse me. These were like the centralized universal pair of speakers that everybody listened to, and music never really used to sound fat on them. The music never really used to sound nice on them as such. It was just, if there was this theory that everyone had that if your music sounds good on a pair of NS10s, it will sound good anywhere. And so everybody always used to run their mix on the NS10s, after they'd done the final mix. I'd probably even do a little bit of mixing on there as well. And I used to have the NS10s running on that amplifier. And I also had the Alesis monitor ones. These ones were classics. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Mr. Monitor 1 reference passive two-way speakers. I believe passive means it doesn't have an amplifier in it. And look, these look like quite big ones. What's the back of them look like? Yep, they're the ones with the speakers. You've got to get the amplifier. 75 quid. Wow. At least Monitor 1 studio reference passive two-way, good working condition. See, everyone's on the KRKs now and the Tannoy Red, Reds and all that, and reveals or whatever. But these are nice speakers from way back when. I had a pair of these and I used to use it with the Alesis amp that goes with it. This is a buy right now, man. This is a steal. And make an offer. Ridiculous. Damn, man. There's got to be something wrong with these. It says Alesis Monitor 1 studio reference passive two-way. The good condition. Minor marks. These are well known. Good quality studio near field monitors in good working order. It's working. Look at that. And he's saying buy it now, make a reasonable offer. God damn, you could probably pick them up for 50 quid. That is an absolute steal. And to be honest, I haven't got the space for them, man, and that's the only thing that would stop me from getting a pair of these, because this is a classic sound. I literally did the whole Joker stuff and all that on there, man, and all that early jungle went on these. I had these turned on their side. I had a pair of Monitor 1s on the top, not Monitor 1s, Alesis NS10s on the top, running the amplifier, and there was an amplifier that went with this, and it was an Alesis, I can't remember the name of the amplifier now. I'll know if I see it. Yeah. No, that's not it. Hold on. It looks similar to this. It's one of these amplifiers. It was made by Alesis anyway. But if I can find it, I'll stick a link in the description down below. There is no way that's not it. No. Alesis amplifier. Alesis amplifier. I don't think they made that many, to be honest. Oh, it's spelt wrong. That's why. Alesis. Yeah, it was RA300. I think it was. There it is. There you go. RA100. That amplifier there. Bloody, the amplifier cost you more than the speakers. That was a good amp. That amp, I sold it in the end. But trust me, I never had any problems with these amps. The only thing that ever happened to me on these speakers, I think on the Alesis I blew a woofer once. And I think on the NS10s I blew a tweet. And I was able to go to Studio Spares and get that. There's some good deals on monitors as well. Look at this. You got Alesis monitors here. They're going quite cheap. What else have we got? Yeah, it looks like they've updated them now. It's a 65 watt one. I don't even know what the new ones sound like. Comment down below, guys, if you know what the new one sounds like. Looking down here, that's a vintage drum. Wait. Oh, this is. Oh no, parts are not working. Yeah, see, I'm on the hawk for one of these, man. So guys, yeah. So guys, that's pretty much it on monitors and speakers. The next thing we're going to talk about is room acoustics, because that's very important in the next video. Please make sure you like, share, and you're subscribed to the channel, guys. If you're enjoying the content, come on, smash the like button. If I get to 100 likes, I'm going to do another video, and we're going to talk about room acoustics. That's it for today's video, guys. Take care. God bless. Peace.